Today we're going to talk about the TPS sensor, or Throttle Butterfly Position Sensor. This component is crucial in vehicles that use a mechanical throttle body, such as the one we have here. Unlike cars with electronic acceleration, which feature two TPS sensors, today we'll focus on the three-wire sensor that sits on the mechanical throttle body. This sensor converts the throttle movement into an electrical signal, which is expressed in voltage and sent to the vehicle's computer. The computer uses this information to manage vital functions such as fuel injection and idling control. The TPS sensor is located in the throttle body, right next to the spring that controls the throttle. This sensor acts as a potentiometer, with a variable resistance that changes depending on the position of the butterfly. When the butterfly is closed, the resistance is high and the voltage is low, usually around half a volt. As the butterfly opens, the resistance decreases and the voltage increases, reaching values of up to 4 or 4.5 volts. Each vehicle may have specific values, but this variation in voltage is critical for proper engine operation. When the TPS sensor fails, one of the most common symptoms is the activation of the check engine light, along with error codes such as P0121, P0122, or P0123. These codes indicate low, high, or incorrect signal issues. In addition, it is common to experience problems in the control of the idle gear, which can result in idling too high or the engine accelerating for no apparent reason. There can also be difficulties when trying to shift gears on an automatic transmission, which can lead to the engine shutting down easily. The driving experience is significantly affected when the TPS sensor is faulty. Drivers may notice a jerk when accelerating, especially during gear changes on an automatic transmission. This pulling feels like a bump every time a change is made, which can be very uncomfortable. Also, sometimes the sensor can work fine when the engine is cold, but as it heats up, it starts to fail, causing the symptoms mentioned above. To conclude, the TPS sensor is an essential component for the proper functioning of the engine, and its failure can lead to a number of problems that affect both the performance of the vehicle and the driving experience. It is important to be aware of the symptoms we have discussed and make a proper diagnosis if they occur. I appreciate your attention and invite you to subscribe to the channel for more content on automotive mechanics and electrics. Until next time.